Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's morning for me. We're here in the Fort Worth area, or right outside Fort Worth area, where we're fixing to go on start our adventure on the main trip to Oklahoma City. We are going to the Darryl Starbird car show. So there's going to be some Minibike indoor flat track racing, apparently on concrete, and there's going to be some Minibike drag racing. So we got some bikes to put in the show. We're going to meet up with Jack Ramsey from the Minibike Coalition down there, and we're going to have an extremely good time. So we were all fueling up this morning and fixed to get on the road. So we'll get more to that when we get on the road. So hang on. We'll see y'all here in just a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Darryl Starbird Show, and it's like the first day. So we got everything set up. But I was going to spin you around and show you all the cool cars are at this place, man. This pavilion place is just wild. There's just like cars, like upstairs, downstairs. It's ridiculous, but cars for days. Check these cars out. I mean, you name it, they got it here. Look at that. But like I said, we're at the Darryl Starbird Show. We got a bunch of cool events going on, and there's tons of stuff going on at this place everywhere. There's something for somebody to see everywhere you look. I mean, it's crazy. Look at this car here. Check out the top of this thing. This is sexy. There's Brother Jack, Minibike Coalition riding around. Jack made some trophies. Him and his boys down here from Minibike Coalition. So let's take a look at some of the swag. There's a guy here that pinstripes stuff, but they got all kinds of trophies for everything. Look at this thing. This is awesome. Big old gas pump nozzle. It's made out of hot rod parts. This is pretty awesome. Check this out. Wow. Get a little mirror action. Yeah. Cool stuff. Then down here, I think these are ones that Jack and the guys made. Got the little GPS bike kicking. And then I got some that I got to bring over here that I made also to get them on this table. But so anyway, they got all kinds of stuff going on at this place. And then also we're going to be doing some, show you the track in a little bit. Is kind of over here in this area. They're supposed to be prepping the track. We're going to have some Minibike drag racing, and also going to have some indoor flat track racing. So it's going to be an awesome time. Crazy stuff to see. I'll give you a quick walk around. Let's check this out. This old Dodge, I do believe. Let's see. Yeah, old Dodge pickup. Way cool. Shiny stuff, rusty stuff, cool painted glitter cars, tons of automobiles everywhere. Like I said, we're on the downstairs floor. We got the Go Power booth over here. We're going to walk around if we don't get run over by the golf cart. What was I saying? I'm sorry. You got an upstairs and a downstairs, so you can drive up this ramp up here to the right, and all that whole area in this building is like, God, I don't know how long it is. It's extremely long. Motorcycles for days, cars, you name it, they got it. So go over and take a look at the race area. I guess this is gonna be the pre-stage area, and then they're supposed to be out here. Probably can't see through this fence. Let's see. Anyway, this is gonna be the track we're supposed to be drag racing on and doing the flat track on. We got the grandstands on both sides. Let's see if we can. Wow. Look at that big motor, 354. So we got the Go Power area, we got chopper bikes, we got it all. So let's do a quick walkthrough. This old Hornet, let's check it out. See if we can zoom in on these pictures down here. Got a little before and after. That's when he picked it up at, where'd you get this? A paid swap meet, right?
Got it paid last year.
You want to tell me about it, Evan?
Yeah.
Tell me, I mean, what,
so,
did you powder, you do the talking. Tell me,
as
did you powder coat
see,
it?
we found it as a clean one owner. Like I said before, it was only rode to church, and then it got put out to the pasture and got a little rusty and crusty. That's all right. We fired it back up and breathed new life into it. Got it re-chromed, powder coated. Got an HS40 engine, and it's not period correct. It's got the solid state ignition in it, but it's still a flathead. Everything on the jack shafts, the brake drum and everything's period correct. I just tried to do a nice clean resto mod.
Sexy. Now, did you powder coat? This is paint.
This is powder coat.
Powder coat.
I got all the decals and everything how it would have been new.
Factory Hornet sticker.
Yep.
Get your bars re-chromed.
Got them re-chromed.
This is gorgeous.
They were really roached, and the fork lowers had so much pitting in them and everything, but they came out like glass.
And the wheels you chose to put on it?
Go Power wheels.
Yeah. They make any mini bike look
Not
sexy.
just because I worked there, but because they're a cool wheel, and they came on a lot of the vintage stuff. And
yes.
so
And
it's
they
really rad that we're able to recreate that to bring these old bikes back, man.
Yeah.
So.
And they look extremely gorgeous as they're rolling.
Oh, yeah. Just a real clean, sleek look, man. It don't have to be too fancy. Just keep it simple, and it looks good.
Great job, brother. Great looking bike, man. Great.
Thank you. There's the bar stool cord.
Alright, figured I'd get up here and give you a quick kind of outlook. This is where they got a whole bunch of track prep. Let's see. So you can zoom in over there. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of prep that they're gonna get out here and prep this whole area. So this is where we're gonna be doing the indoor arena for the mini bike racing, and I think we're doing the drag racing in here. So hopefully we'll have enough run room. Jack said it was gonna be short. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I think we'll make it work. We're gonna have some fun anyway. But this is kind of layout of the track. I didn't catch this earlier, but let's see if we can zoom in on it. This car up here was probably shooting flames in the air that were like 50 feet in the air. It was crazy. And I don't own the rights to any of that music playing. Gotta make sure we put that in there. But yeah, this is pretty cool. He's shooting some massive flames out the back. But anyway, we're gonna get back over here, do some more cool mini bike people, and probably go upstairs up there, because there's a whole area up there, just tons of cars, something for everybody to see. Cool place. Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's Saturday here at the show. Figured I'd spin y'all around. They did all the burnouts and stuff last night, so they had to come in and clean all the rubber up off the burnout area and the flame throwing area last night. So they're out here so we can get some in. They're out there prepping the track for today's event. So we're gonna have more flat track racing. Probably can't see through that fence, dang it. But anyway, this is the big arena that we're gonna do all the flat track racing in and the drag racing. But today they're gonna, they told us that we're gonna add like an extra 10 feet on to the track. So they're out here trying to get it all prepped. So now we're gonna actually be probably running like a, maybe 60 feet out here today. So we ought to have a little bit more running and playing room to get out here and get some stuff done. But they got us a tree, so we're gonna be doing a we're gonna be doing it off a tree instead of just an old school arm drop. So did a little walk around, had a bunch more bikes that showed up yesterday afternoon, you know, because now it's the weekend, people get off work, so they all come out. But there was a ton of bikes that we had running around here yesterday. So we're gonna get everything set up, get everything lined out, and I'll be back with some more fun adventures of today's mini bike festivities.
If it's not over here, we got it somewhere over here.
ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to kind of put a close into this video. It's going to be kind of probably long. I'm tired. Got a busted up knee. But anyway, make sure and watch this till the very end. I think the wife said she's going to try and put some really cool action shots in there that y'all would probably really like to get a kick out of. But anyway, I got to show a big thanks out to the GPS family. I mean, it was just a great time. Hanging with so many cool people. Minibike Coalition guys, we got to hang out with them all weekend. Great seeing all them. All the new folks that I got to meet. All the new guys down from that area, they're all into mini bikes, man. There was a ton of cool cats. It was cool meeting all y'all. And all the stuff that went on, man, there was just so much going on everywhere. So you want to make sure and watch their Facebook page for Go Power Sports, their Facebook page, and their Instagram, because Bernie down there, the camera guy, he was just everywhere, snapping shots, doing vlogs with people, and filming this and film that. So I imagine he's got a handful of work to do of posting a bunch of stuff, real cool stuff y'all want to check out. So make sure and keep an eye on that. But big thanks to Paul and Taylor and Junior. Cool guy. Thanks for all your help too. But they put together an awesome bike. That was my very first time to ride. There was a Mega Moto that they put the swing arm kit on. Mocked it up with some 10-inch wheels. Never been on the bike, never rode it till I got there and got on the track. But the bike handled, it was crazy. Performed great, plenty of power, outstanding. Did take a nasty spill on it. The track there, I got a little wide in an area that wasn't prepped. Kind of rear end kind of come out from underneath me, but other than that, that was my own fault. Can't swing too high. But and the flat track, got to thank my good racing partner, David Rogers. He was able to take the win for that, so congratulations to him. And in the drag racing, I almost made it to the top, trying to hang with old Falco, but he actually brung home the win. Did a great job, took it to the end, and for the team Go Power Sports on the drag strip, he killed it, brother. So, but anyway, and everybody else, all the GPS staff, you got Tim and Dave and Mr. Mark. Greatly appreciated. Awesome time. So make sure and check them out, because they're going to be posting a bunch of stuff up here in the real near future. Bunch of cool stuff. But got to thank my co-pilot, the wife, for helping me out with everything, being my navigator. So anyway, but I was going to show y'all some cool trophies right quick that bikes that I took were in the bike show, and try and drop this. But I got some cool blingage, man. I got this cool handmade trophy, which is outstanding. Got a paint gun on it. And for my Motovox, I got best paint job. Yeah. And I got People's Choice, I think, on the Motovox as well. So I was extremely excited. They were doing the announcements, and I didn't even know that I was stinking airplane every time. But like I said, I didn't even know my name was, or my bike number was getting called. I didn't even know what my bike number was. But anyway. But anyway, so I'm going to wrap this video up. If y'all liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching and would like to subscribe to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. So I'm going to take my bum knee and I'm going to go in the house and try and relax. So hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll see y'all next time. Y'all take care.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's all, folks.